Hi smart marketers, welcome to this new video of Tag the Market. Today in this video I will show you how we can do keyword research in a more fast and efficient way. I would use this pivot table. This is a tool in Google Spreadsheet and in Excel, Microsoft Excel. So to go with the process, before that we need some prerequisites like landing page URL to understand the business, to know about everything about the business. We have to study their business URL, I mean business website, and this competitors URL. It will help us to understand the level of competition of that niche in the digital marketing, and then some other keywords. Most of the time your clients will provide you some other keywords. In case he cannot, and you would face some clients that they are quite unaware of this digital terminologies, then we have to study the business and we have to generate some keywords. We can take help from ChatGPT for this purpose. So let me show you their business URL. This is their business, Lampasas Dental Center. So this Lampasas is a city in Texas. So you get the point that this is a local business. If I scroll down here, you see some names of places around this Lampasas, I think. So from these places you can avail their business and some featured services. So I would learn about these services from the service page. So I'm not going to read all of them here. And then here some doctors, and then location, and here a schedule, and this is the end of this home page. So let me go to the service page. So these are the services they provide. So cleanings, bleaching, so cosmetic dentistry, preventive care, fillings, crowns, bridges, and implants, dentures, root canals. So these are the services they provide. Even they provide services related to orthodontics. So they provide almost all services related to dental treatment. Now let me show you how I have generated these keywords. I used ChatGPT and this was the prompt. Let me explain this. This is business URL. I just put the business URL here and then instructed like I will do keyword research for this business. This is a dental center or clinic in Lampasas, Texas, USA. Now provide me some other keywords to use in keyword planner of Google. Then ChatGPT has provided me a good number of keywords. I have just selected some keywords from this list, and you see these are those keywords. Let me copy them and I would paste them in keyword planner here, and you see this location Bangladesh. I have to change this location. So you see Lampasas county and this is city. I'll take this city, not the county, and save it. So this city is, I think, a small city. Even though I have got nearly 2000 keywords, let me download this file in Excel, I mean Google Spreadsheet. I have to wait a bit. So here I have got the sheet and all the keywords, nearly 2000 keywords are here. So at first, after getting this sheet, we have to clean this sheet. We have to remove all those unnecessary rows and columns. So I would remove this one, I would remove these rows, and then from this J to the end, to this Z, let me delete. And this currency I don't need. Delete. And this 3 months change and yearly change, if you need you can keep them, but for this time I am deleting them. Let me delete this column. So I have now 4-5 columns. Let me select all of them and go to this insert and pivot table. I would take this new sheet. So I am now in this new sheet of pivot table, and the left one, this is the original sheet, and this one is pivot table, and at the same time I would take another sheet. So this will be my final sheet. So whenever I would finish keyword research here in this pivot table, I would take all of them, all of those selected keywords in this sheet, and I would organize this sheet for my client. So in this pivot table, so in these rows I will add all of them. So I have to uncheck this total, add this one. So I have to add all of them. So one by one I am going to add all of them, and now this is the last one. Yeah, so I have added all of them, and just let me make some space for this keyword column. Well, so this is the list of nearly 2000 keywords. So if I go to read one by one, this is possible, but this will take a lot of time, and this is definitely not a smarter way. This will make me tired as well. So what I would do, I would use these filters to sort out the best keywords, the most appropriate keywords from this 2000 keywords. So let me add some filters. If I add this one, competition, so in this filter you will find all these items, so which are in the column. If I uncheck this one, unknown, so what does this mean? Let me click on this. Okay, so if you notice, whenever I have removed that unknown, this one, so this high, low and medium, these three items are here in this competition, and unknown has been disappeared. This is the sorting process here. So you have got now only 41 keywords. So I think this is very handy, how we can take the most advantage of this. For example, if you think that you take some keywords from these highly competitive words here, and some from medium and some from low, what you can do in this case, just uncheck all of them and keep this one checked, just OK, and you will get this list with this high tag. And if you go for this medium, and you see you will get all these keywords with this tag, only medium. So you can now very easily analyze and study this list, and this will give you more comfort and flexibility. And if you want this one, this low, so you will just you can select and sort out any items by these filters. So you can pick some 5 or 6 items, I mean keywords from this list very easily. So this will definitely make your decision making process very faster. So this is how you can use these filters. So let me remove this filter and add another filter. If I select this one, this searches, now I have got here all those keywords. So in this filter I have these items, so let me uncheck this one and zeros. So I don't want any keywords which has this level, I mean blank and zero level search. So I just want this one. Let me click on this OK, and I have got this list. Only in this search 50 level words. So I have got 182 words. So this list is smaller, and now I can go for this process, I mean check one by one, and this will not make me tired, and this will not also take a lot of time. So this is the process you can follow here, but this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more filters like this competition, and I'm going to uncheck this one, unknown. Then you see this list has shortened to 41. Yeah, so I now can very easily analyze this data, and what I would do, I can go for this list. Let me check them. You see here some keywords have this free word, so my service is not free, so I would like to remove all of them. So for this you can add another filter, this keyword filter, and then you can use this condition. So you have to select text doesn't contain this free, so just OK, and yeah, it has shortened a bit. Now what I would do, I would just copy all of them. So copy, and I would paste it in that final sheet here. Let me copy it, paste special and values only. So I have taken all of them and just make some adjustment here. Okay, fine. So let me select this one and just wrap it. Fine. So what I would do here, I would check them one by one, these 37 or 36 keywords, and if I think that some keywords are quite unrelated, then I would remove those keywords, and all those related keywords I would keep here and organize and make some formatting which will be appealing to my clients. So this $99 teeth cleaning, I think this is a brand keyword. I would take this keyword, and Aspen Dental, this is another brand keyword. Aspen Dental closest, Aspen Dental near me. So they are very closely related, but as they are searched by the people, by the users, then I should keep them all. And then cheap dentist near me, children's dental. So this is how you can do. You have to read all of them. I'm just going to skip this process. And you see here dental office near me, this kind of I think this keyword is not related to my business, because people search this keyword for the government service, government office. So remove this one, and I have to check. Okay, in this stage you have to read all of them and check all, to look for the best and most appropriate keywords. So I think this is the final list for my research, and let me do some formatting here, more appealing formatting. So this I would put some color, some color like this one. Okay, and I would bold it. Fine. Fine. And in these columns, these four, so I would just make some adjustment in alignment, center alignment, and put some color for the whole sheet. I mean some color. If I put some color, maybe this one. Okay, I think this is very soft color. So in this column, so I'll color this one so that to make a contrast, some color from yellow, maybe this one. Yeah, fine. I think this one. Okay, I think this is more appealing right now. And what I'm going to do, this is my final sheet, I mean final keywords research output. So I would send it to my client. So this is the whole process. If you think this pivot table and everything I have shown here has given you any value, please share this video with your friends and family, with your community. Thank you.